All right, Colton, how many do you have to get? How many are in there?
They're like saying me. She's like, nah.
Oh, Brayden over here and on the defense.
Wow, good work again.
She does the same thing when I'm there.
Wow. That was a cool one.
Did you get it?
Riley.
There's Leighton swimming too.
Brayden, look who's swimming with you. A little fishy girl. A fishy girl. Who's the little fishy? Who's that fishy girl in the pool?
The white one?
The white fishy. Who is it?
Leighton.
It's Leighton fish. It's a Leighton fish.
Yes.
Say hi, Leighton fish.
Hi, Leighton.
Careful, Colton. Don't hold on to her.
Please go swim over. Give ladybugs kisses.
Bring her closer. I'm doing a video.
Brayden's gonna give
Hi,
ladybugs
baby.
kisses.
Leighton, say hi to the camera. What, Buster?
Woohoo. Look it.
Oh, Leighton Bug loves it.
Leighton loves the water.
Yeah.
Whee! That one splashed her face.
She likes me though. She splashes her own face.
I'm going to get in that pool and get you.
Oh.
I'll get in that pool right now, Bobo.
He says, you swimming in the deep end?
No, I'm afraid of the deep end. No, I might drown.
You're too big. Is he too big for the deep end? Hey, Mr. Toad. Oh, you guys are fishies.
Oh, that's cute.
Brayden, can you swim back this way, honey?
Colton, be
Swim to
careful
the
of
stairs.
Leighton. Leighton, wave. Wave to Auntie Kelly. Wave. Say hi, Kelly.
Hi, baby. That was disgusting. Say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Did you?
Colton, don't splash Leighton.
James, who won the baseball game?
Oh, Colton. Didn't I just say don't splash Leighton? You're lucky she's an easy little bugger.
You're a very good swimmer today.